to you were sleeping on my shoulder. I was praying that the raging storm would stay a little longer. With your feet up on the dashboard of my summer dream in Westwood, I was hoping that we'd wake up to the softest of spring mornings, humming do 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 do. The sun was coming up too soon. You and me, we got places to be. All you need isn't far away as it seems. The color of you coloring all my dreams, and the soles of your feet will carry you to where you're supposed to be. Oh, the dawn was turning older while my heart was burning for another year to be just like the one before it, holding out our hands for golden moments overflowing. But as long as I am holding you, the beauty